1988 would be a momentous year, when Soucie was cast as Janine Melnitz, in the popular Saturday morning cartoon, The Real Ghostbusters, replacing its original actress Laura Summer, and giving the character a softer, and more feminine makeover. The late Lorenzo Music, who originally played Peter Venkman in the series, was replaced by Full House star Dave Coulier, with Music having massive success as the title character in the Garfield franchise, including the Saturday morning classic, Garfield and Friends. The role of Wendy was originally intended for Catherine Beaumont, from the 1953 Peter Pan film, but after initially recording her lines, producers deemed Beaumont's voice too old, and opted to bring in Soucie as a replacement. Disney would have no choice but to hire an entirely different cast, as the original actors for the returning characters had either outgrown their roles, or had long since passed away. In 2004, she would provide the voice of Sally the Rag Doll, in the Nightmare Before Christmas video game, Oogie's Revenge, as well as the Kingdom Hearts franchise, with the character originally played by Catherine O'Hara, in the 1993 film. However, the role of Betty was given to Natalie Morales, allegedly due to Soucie's inability to voice her as well as she could in the 90s, but also due to the fact that younger actors were needed to fill in for the adults in the show, after some of the originals were retired, or no longer alive. Adding insult to injury, following the release of its trailer in April, it was announced that Spider-Man actress, and former Disney Channel star Zendaya Coleman, would voice Lola Bunny in the movie. What actually transpired behind the scenes has yet to be public knowledge. However, some sources indicate that Soucie was initially set to reprise the character, and had recorded all her lines, but was replaced at the last minute. However, unlike Return to Neverland, Zendaya, whose name holds great star power, as an A-list actress in Hollywood, was used primarily as a means to enhance the film's marketing. While the method of stunt casting is nothing new in movies or television, many fans likened this particular controversy to the recasting of the Judy character in the 1990 Jetsons movie, when the late Janet Waldo was replaced by 80s pop singer Tiffany, in the late stages of production.